How do I replace the drive belt on an X540 John Deere?
Sometimes things that you think will be really complicated end up being easy to fix. The heavy equipment mechanic I'm going to connect you with knows all the tricks and shortcuts.
The mower deck belt is okay, but the drive belt broke and I cannot get the new one on.
Are you fixing this yourself? What have you tried so far?
Yes. I released the tension bar on the mower deck to loosen the pulley, but I cannot figure out how to get the new belt over both pulleys.
Anything else you want the agriculture mechanic to know before I connect you?
No. Posted by JustAnswer a customer's request. Hello. I would like to request the following expert services from you. Live phone call. Let me know if you need more information, or send me the service offers so we can proceed.
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. I don't know it all, but maybe together we can get you a satisfactory answer. Transmission drive belt is the problem? You have belt off a transmission? Do you have brake/clutch pedal lock down to slacken the belt? http://jdpc.deer.com/pimagesmp38mp38645_un02oct06.gif.
Drive belt that engages the mower blades broke. Mower deck is okay. Do you mean the parking brake needs to be engaged?
This is the belt between engine and deck?
I am not with the mower at this time.
It is a straight run belt, with an idler with spring. To keep it tight, the spring-loaded idler has to be held back while the belt is put on each end, then idler is released to tension the belt. See link below. I will look for OM manual. I assume you do not have owner's manual. http://jdpc.deer.com/pimagesmp38mp38504_un22august06.gif. Here is the manual. Look under service mower. It should have a lever to release the tension on the belt, and to tighten the belt once belt and deck is in place. http://manuals.deer.com/ccomview/omm157372_h7/output/index.html.
I do not have owner's manual with me. In the diagram you sent, it is the belt. 1. At the top of the picture there is a tension bar that I can release to loosen the belt, but it does not loosen enough to get new belt on.
I attached the OM manual. But try to remove belt at the deck end, then the engine will be easy. You may have to use a screwdriver to flip the belt off the deck pulley.
I have tried that and cannot get the belt on the engine pulley. I will try again tomorrow morning, and if I cannot get it to work, I will call you back. I will be with the mower in the morning. What is the best way to contact you in the morning? I will not have computer next to mower, but will have phone. Thank you for your help so far. It seems like a tension bar that I am not releasing, but cannot find it.
Put belt on engine pulley first. Then the deck end, last to the idler pulley. I will be on the computer in the AM.
Okay, if I cannot get this in the AM, I will try to reach you by computer about 11 AM EDT.
Okay.
Better yet, can we switch to live phone call tomorrow AM between 11:15 and 11:30 AM EDT? My phone number is ###. Thank you.
Phone call is extra charge, but it could be done if you think it is necessary.
Okay, I will let you know in AM.
Okay.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.